What's up guys, it's Zen with Zen Trading Academy. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very common question that I get asked all the time, which is how do you trade with a full-time job? Right, I want to flip the question back to you. Why do you think you can't trade with a full-time job? So the most common excuse that I hear is I don't have time to sit in front of the charts 24/7, right? But in reality, I only trade about 15 to 30 minutes a day. So the misconception of having to trade all day long is false. Actually, I only trade about 5% of the day. 95% of my day is just waiting for the right opportunities, if there are any opportunities at all. And this misconception leads to yet another misconception, where people think that they want to trade full-time and leave their jobs. But why would you do that? Why would you leave one job just to go to another job, right? You want to use trading as a supplement to your income. Okay, not as an escape. It's also bad to solely depend purely on trading income, because if you put pressure on making money, you're going to make bad decisions and it will lead to your downfall. So now that I've cleared up some misconceptions, right, let's get back to how I trade about 30 minutes a day only. You must be wondering, how do I know when to trade? And how do I have time to execute the trades? Well, unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you the secrets until you smash the like button and turn it blue. Okay, if I can get 40 likes on this video, I'll film a day in the life video so that you can see in real life how I actually do it. Thank you all for smashing the like button, and let's get into the secrets. So the first step is to have a plan. You've heard the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. Right? You need to know what to look for. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're just playing a guessing game. Right? And to know what you're looking for, it comes with the strategy. So before I start my working day, I will usually go through my screener to identify potential stocks that could build up to my pattern, right? And then every so often, I will go and check again and again and again. So instead of wasting my time scrolling through Instagram and Facebook, I will spend a few minutes every few hours to check my screener and to look for any other potential stocks. But you got to find a trading strategy that works for you, right? There's so many strategies out there for you to choose from. Make sure you choose a few, test it out, and see what works for you. But if you want to learn how I trade, make sure you hit the first link in the description, join my free Discord group, and I'll see you in there and teach you how to trade. So the second secret that I mentioned before is that I use TradingView alerts. So the alerts do most of the work for me, because all I have to do is set it at a level, and when the price reaches the level, I get notified. So I don't have to sit on the screen for the whole day. Let me give you an example. So if you can see HPPHB right here, I've identified that this stock has a potential to break out. So I put an alert right here near the high of the day where I would enter, right? And then let's see how it plays out. So after putting the alert, I will move aside. And the moment the stock hits my alert, I will get notified that, oh, this stock is reaching where you want to enter. And this is when I switch from my work to my charts and I focus on the charts for 5-10 minutes. So right here, I will be looking at the charts, getting my buy order ready in case it starts to break above the high of the day. And I would enter right there and catch this trade all the way up. So by setting the alerts at the start of the day, it takes away the need for me to sit in front of the market for the whole day. The key here is to set multiple alerts, because you won't be able to predict which stock moves up, but if you set a few, one of it will most likely hit. And the third step is to have good time management. I mentioned before, don't waste your time on Instagram and Facebook. Spend those minutes working so that you have time to trade, because it is always a trade-off, right? If you want to spend time trading during your working hours, you're going to have to push some work back. That's how it goes. All you have to do is manage your time well, because the last thing we want is for trading to affect our working performance. You should know your priorities. Don't put trading above work, especially at the beginning. When you're learning, it's okay to miss moves. You have to accept that you will miss moves. Sometimes you're on a call, sometimes you're in a meeting and the move goes. It's okay, because the move will come back. The move will keep repeating and repeating itself. If you don't have a sustainable strategy, you shouldn't even be trading in the first place. And if you have a sustainable strategy, you will know that it will keep repeating itself. So don't worry about missing moves. Prioritize your work and get better at planning, whether planning your trades or planning your time so that you can catch more moves. So it's really that simple. Those 3 secrets, right? 1, I have a plan, so I know exactly what I'm looking for. 2, I use alerts. They do the work for me. They look at the market for me. 3, time management. I don't waste my time on Instagram. I don't waste my time on Facebook. I spend my time doing the work so that when the trade opportunity comes, I have enough free time to manage the trade all the way. And that is how you should handle your trading as well if you want to trade while working a full-time job. So I hope you learned something today. I hope this helps you adjust your time so that you can fit trading in, because trading is really a really great way to supplement your income. So make sure you like and subscribe. 40 likes and I'll film a day in the life of a trader with a full-time job so that you can see me trade in real life. Okay, I really appreciate that you're watching this video. Hope you can share it to anyone who you think is useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.